We're a 55-year-old company that started in 1960, introduced insulation in the form of EPS, expanded polystyrene in Pakistan, and we market it through our brand name, which is called Thermopore. But Thermopore has now become a household name. Everybody knows the materials of Thermopore products, from insulation sheets to electronics packaging, to 3D models, to flotation devices. Yeah, so anything and everything regarding expanded polystyrene. COVID has hurt almost every sector in Pakistan, and we are not an exception. We are basically mainly in the construction industry, and in the construction industry, as you know, COVID has hit every single sector, be it cement, steel, or the common labor as well. So obviously sales have sales have dropped down. But we are evolving. We are evolving through online marketing and offering better customer service to our people, to our customers, so that we can evolve with the times and encounter this issue that everybody has faced. Basically, we are already a very diverse company in terms of our products. So there's not an alteration in terms of production or anything, but I would say there's a different mindset with regards to marketing, and a different mindset with regards to competition now in our industry. With your own factory, we've installed all kinds of installation gates. There's a very strict security measure check at our entrance. No external visitor is allowed. Every single employee is health checked. And they have been provided with masks and face shields, so that they are provided a safe environment. Plus, because of our work is not very labor intensive, production is not so labor intensive, so social distancing is not much of an issue. That is a natural thing that occurs. But Alhamdulillah, there is no issue of corona that we've encountered so far in our industry. The other thing that is important is the education of your employees. That is the responsibility of the company itself, to educate your employees so that every single one is aware of the threat, and we are taking every single measure to prevent any kind of an incident happening in our premises. How it's going to affect the businesses? Number one, obviously, it's going to filter out a lot of weak businesses that were not geared up for sustainability. That is one thing that we've seen already, and we're going to see furthermore in future as well. And then it's going to change businesses. It's going to force businesses to change themselves, to fight more, to compete more, to become more efficient, to reduce costs, and try to focus on high efficiency sales. At a position right now, inshallah, going forward in the future, I foresee that the construction industry is going to flourish. So we're hoping towards that. We're getting towards that. And I think in the near future, you're going to see a boom in the construction industry again, inshallah. The importance of technology, people have realized only during this situation, where traditional forms of marketing, like direct selling, etc., have not been possible. So therefore, when you want to reach your customers, the best way to reach your customers is now online. Right, so I think this is the future of the industry. I think the construction industry is going to be more digitalized, with a lot of other initiatives as well. Like EBuild Pakistan is an initiative which I feel that is going to help the construction industry, both for suppliers as well as for customers. For example, I want to build a house. I'm building a house. I do not know, and I don't have access to 400 vendors of a particular thing, 300 vendors of a particular thing. But due to these platforms, I will have access to a range of vendors for the same particular thing, so that I get the best prices, and the vendors can give me the best services as well, because they know that competition is going to be there. Platforms like EBuild Pakistan are going to bring more efficiency to the construction industry, and that is something that I look forward to.